Hello guys, in my previous lecture we studied about plane surface, plane curve, polygons and the classifications of polygon. Now in this video we are going to discuss about diagonals. Okay, diagonals, quadrilaterals, then of the polygons, types of polygons, on the basis of diagonals, on the basis of angles and so on. Okay, let's start our video guys. Please be concentrate. Okay, now first topic is diagonals. What is the diagonal? A line segment joining any two non consecutive vertices in a polygon called diagonals. First of all, you know in the linear equation in one variable what is the meaning of consecutive. Consecutive means two numbers coming not together. That means a line segment joining of two non-consecutive vertices. Like we have vertices number 1, vertices number 2, vertices number 3. We have to join vertices number 1 and the consecutive is 3, 2 and 4 and so on. Okay, that is known as the diagonals, or you can say in a very simple language, a line segment joining two opposite vertices which are not on same edge called diagonals. That means you have any figure, any closed figure, you have to just join two opposite vertices. That's it. It is known as the diagonals. Okay, now guys, we have a closed figure of three sides, that is the known as triangles. So can we make diagonals into the triangles into this one triangle? Yes or no? I give you the solution why we can't draw the diagonals in triangle. Why? So to finding the number of diagonals, before going these two examples, we are going to finding the number of diagonals in a closed polygon. Okay, now what is the formula? That formula is n minus 3 upon 2. The formula is n minus 3 upon 2. Okay, yes or no? Now what is n? The n represents here the number of sides. Okay, n means number of sides in a given polygon. Okay, now in this triangle we have n equals to 3. Yes or no? Can we plot the diagonal into this triangle? Yes or no? We have to, or you can say number of diagonals in triangle. So you have to just use the formula to finding the number of diagonals in any polygon. Now n minus 3 upon 2. Now 3 multiplied by 0 upon 2. We know that 0 upon 2 is 0. That means there is no diagonal in triangles. Okay, yes or no? There is no diagonal. Okay, now if we are talking about four sides polygon, that means a quadrilateral. Okay, so how many diagonals we can plot into the quadrilateral? So first of all we have to find out the number of diagonals. N equals to 4. Why? Because we have the sides 4. Okay, n minus 3 upon 2, that is 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2 equals to 2 to the 4 equals to 2. That means in quadrilateral there are most of 2 or only 2 diagonals can be plotted. Now this is the diagonal number 1 and this is the diagonal number 2. Okay, the opposite vertices, a line segment joining to the opposite vertices, yes or no, are known as diagonals. I hope you understood the concept of diagonals. Now next topic, guys, on the basis of diagonals, we are classified the polygon on two types. First one is convex polygon and second one is concave polygon. Okay, now what is convex polygon? Okay, what is convex polygon? If in a polygon all diagonals are inside, then figure known as convex polygon. Now guys, what is the definition is saying that? Definition is simply saying if you can plot or if you can draw the diagonals inside the figure, that's it, inside the figure, that polygon is known as the convex polygon. Okay, now opposite vertices are A and C. We join a line segment, we join these 2 points through a line segment, that is AC. Okay, insidely similarly BD. Okay, so AC and BD, AC and BD are the diagonals of the given figure, but both diagonals are drawn into the inside the polygon. That means it is a convex polygon. Okay, yes or no? Now, concave polygon. Polygon which have some of its diagonals outside, some of its, not everyone. Okay, some of its diagonals outside the figure called concave polygon. Yes or no? Now 1 2 3 4, four vertices or four sides, that means it's a quadrilateral. Now guys, A to C, it's a diagonal number 1 which is drawn inside the figure. Now there is another diagonal BD that is drawn outside the polygon, that means it's a concave polygon. If any one diagonal is drawn outside the figure, that time that polygon is known as concave polygon. Okay, or if all the diagonals are drawn inside the polygon, that time that polygon is known as convex polygon. I hope this concept is clear. Now coming for the next one, regular polygon. Okay, regular polygon, polygons which are equiangular. Okay, equiangular and equilateral are called as regular polygon. Okay guys, don't be panic, the definition is very simple. Now you have to learn these two key points. If all sides are equal in a polygon and all angles are equal, all sides are equal and all angles are equal, that time that polygon is known as regular polygon. Okay, now examples. Square, we know that square having all four sides are equal. Yes or no? And each angle is 90 degree, that means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Similarly in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. We can say both of are the regular polygon. But if we are talking about rectangle, in rectangle only and only opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? All angles are equal. Yes, all angles are equal. Okay, no issue, all angles are equal, each angle is 90 degree, 90 90 90 90. But if you are going for the sides, only and only opposite sides are equal, not all sides. So this is failure here. Yes or no? That time that polygon is known as the irregular polygon. Okay, for regular polygon both of the conditions are satisfied, okay. I hope this concept is also clear. Now go for the next one. Now angle sum property, guys, it's a very important topic. Angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? Sum of interior angles of a polygon is n-2 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay, what is angle sum property? We have a closed figure. First of all, we know that the angle sum property is always be applied into the closed figures, okay, or closed curve. Okay, so all interior angles, okay, sum of all interior angles of a polygon is equals to n-2 multiplied by 180 degree. And what is n? N is number of sides. Okay, suppose we have a triangle, suppose we have a polygon of 3 sides, that is triangle. We have to find sum of all the interior angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This is angle 1, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3. Now we have to find out the sum of these three angles. We know that n equals to 3. We know that the sum is 180 degree. But what is the proof? Okay, this is the formula. Okay, 3 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, 1 multiplied by 180 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay guys, this is the 180 degree. You can check from here. So to finding the sum of all interior angles of a polygon, you have to use this formula. Okay, this formula. And what is n? N is the number of sides. Okay, in quadrilateral the number of sides are 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 multiplied by 180 degree, that is 360 degree. We know that the sum of all interior angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now sum of exterior angles of any polygon will be 360 degree. Guys, in any polygon, the sum of exterior angles always be 360 degree. It's fixed. It is the 360 degree. Okay, now this is a figure where we are going to discuss about the what are the interior angles and what are the exterior angles. Okay, now we know that if we are talking guys, if we are talking about this line, okay, this line, this is a straight line, okay, and angle 1 and angle 6, these are the, this is a transversal line and this is a line. Okay, both of are the intersecting to each other. Now we know that when the two lines are intersecting to each other, they are the kinds of angles are formed. You studied in the 7th class. Okay, now angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5 all are the interior angles. I hope you very understood this concept. And angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9 and angle 10 are the exterior angles. Okay, okay, the sum of the exterior angles be 360 degree. We know that in any polygon, any kind of polygon. But what are the sum of the interior angles are maybe 360 degree, maybe 540, maybe 180 degree. It will depends on number of sides. Okay guys, I hope this concept is clear. Okay, thank you.